Hey guys, Portia here, and I am so excited to be back and sharing content with you guys. So after a much needed hiatus for a medical situation, I am back and I feel better and more inspired than ever. So let me tell you guys, I have not been feeling well, and it's been a bit over a year now, and I'm actually recovering from a major surgery. And when I say recovering, I shouldn't say that, guys. I'm gonna take that back. I'm getting over a major surgery because I am about 90% better. It's been about 2 months. But I do want to stress to you guys, it is so important to take care of yourself. So I had not been feeling well. My energy was low. I was drained. And then when I finally got to the point where I needed to go figure out what I was going on, it took a toll on my mental health as well, because I couldn't be the Portia that I wanted to be, i.e. I am a wife, I am a mother, I have a full-time job, I enjoy my family, I enjoy my friends, I enjoy taking care of my home, I enjoy sharing content with you guys. But in the process of me not taking care of me not understand what all is going on, something had to give, and it ended up YouTube. I cannot give to YouTube the way I wanted to, and honestly, sharing is my passion. I love to point to other people. I love you to know what I know, and when you can come back and tell me what you've learned and different things like that, that just makes me feel so happy. But in the process of not feeling well, guys, I couldn't give, and something had to give. And so my husband was there, my rock. He had my back. Hey baby, let's do this, let's do that. Did you see the doctor? What the doctor say? Of course, my kids were there for me in support of. But you know, you can have all that outside help, but if your body still feels unsettled, still feels unhealthy, it does take a mental toll on you, especially when you are independent. I do enjoy having support, but I like to do things for myself. So guys, take care of yourself, because guys, at the end of the day, if I don't take care of Portia, I can't take care of my children, I can't take care of my husband, I can't take care of my house, I can't take care of any of the things that I enjoy or I love to do, i.e. sharing with you guys on YouTube. So I had to ensure that not only I was fine, but I was experiencing good quality of health. With that being said, I am ready to start posting again consistently. So this is my first video back. You guys can expect at least 3 videos from me a week. Like I said, I got my energy back, y'all. It was depleted, y'all. It was gone, but it is back now. And then also with that content, we are talking more sublimation, because you know I love me a good sublimation video, or teaching you guys how to do sublimation, or doing a new substrate or a new process or something like that. We still gonna be doing vinyl and, you know, different types of t-shirts, different things like that. So you can expect the use with a little bit more, because I always like to discover new things and processes as well and share with you. Beside me like bringing more how-to videos to you, I just want to talk to you. So I get a lot of questions about, like, Portia, what are your printer settings? What is your favorite printer type? What's your favorite ink? What's this? What's this? Where do you like to shop? So I also want to bring more videos to you that just really just talk to you. I'll share with you guys my knowledge, share with you all my experiences, and in return, if you guys have experiences you want to share, drop it in a comment. If you have questions that you'd like to answer, for me to answer, drop them in the comments as well. Tips, I will take you guys' tips and I will try them, and we will turn into videos so that we can share our tips with everybody. So yeah, I love when you guys communicate with me as well. Also, I just want to tell you guys thank you. So even though I wasn't posting at the clip that I would have liked to, in some of my videos, you guys were making comments like, hey Portia, you know, where you been? Hope all is well, and different things like that. I really do appreciate that, because in my household is my core. Those are my ride or dies. Those are the people that I know that are going to be there for me. But to be able to have people reach across, you know, literally continents, different states, and just checking in on your girl, I mean, I can't express how much I really do appreciate that just message that said, hey Portia, where you been? Hope all is well and I miss you. So you guys, I love it. Thank you so much. All right guys, and that is all I have for you today. I just wanted to, one, give you a channel update, let you know that I am doing all right and I'm ready to get back into the swing of things, make sure you guys, above all, take care of yourself. Sometimes a break is needed, whether it is a mental break, a physical break, a spiritual break. Sometimes we just need to just pour into ourselves. But I just wanted to remind you guys, stay colorful, stay creative, always find joy in the little things that you do, and that I love you guys. Until next time, peace.